Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Sugesko. I'm a postgraduate student of Management Science from Indonesia Education University. On this sixth Global Consumer Business Management and Entrepreneurship occasion, I would like to present my research paper entitled Financial Management, Lifestyle, and Demographic Influence Study on Credit Card Usage in the Midst of the COVID-19 Pandemic in the City of Bandung, Indonesia. Research background of this paper uh, consists of problem identified and purpose of the study. Problem identified: Indonesia and other countries in the world are currently facing the COVID-19 pandemic. The impact to the Indonesian economic growth. Customers simply use a credit card and take advantage of the benefits provided by the credit card, according to Joyce, 2015. The ease of using credit card causes someone to be more consumptive and increasing spending. This leads to behavior to fulfill desires that go beyond needs, according to Ausubel, 1991. Purpose of the study is to examine the significant effect of financial management and lifestyle on credit card use, moderated by the COVID-19 pandemic factor on credit card consumers in Bandung, Indonesia. The research model could be seen in the picture where financial management and lifestyle are independent variables. Influence-dependent variable credit card usage. Pandemic COVID-19 become moderating variable in relation between independent and dependent variable. COVID-19 also acting as independent variable that influence credit card usage as dependent variable. According to the research framework, herewith the hypothesis built in the research. Hypothesis 1. The better a person's financial management behavior, the lower the level of credit card usage. Hypothesis 2. The higher the consumer's lifestyle, the greater the influence on the level of credit card use. Hypothesis 3. The COVID-19 pandemic affects the relationship of consumer financial management to the use of credit cards. Hypothesis 4. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the relationship between consumer lifestyles and credit card usage. The higher the COVID-19 pandemic, the lower the level of credit card usage. It is the last hypothesis, which is hypothesis 5. Next is methodology. This study uses a quantitative research model with a moderator variable analysis model using structural equation modeling partial least square (SAM-PLS). The research sample is consumer credit card users in the city of Bandung based on age, gender, income level, education level, and marital status. The number of samples taken was 250 people in accordance with research needs and sample fulfillment standards based on non-probability sampling with a purposive sampling approach. The data collection technique uses a questionnaire via Google Form, testing the validity of the 4 variable indicators and the reliability of the variables used in the study. Next is result and discussion. Hypothesis testing is done by looking at the t-statistics as measured by the t-table. If the value of t-statistic greater than t-table, the relationship between latent variables can be declared significant. Based on the results of bootstrapping, it can be seen that the variable financial management in relationship with the credit card usage, and then lifestyle in the relationship with credit card usage, COVID-19 in the relationship with credit card usage has a value of t statistic greater than t table, which is 7.433, 5.965, and 6.218, so that the variable is declared significant. Based on the data from 250 respondents, the majority of respondents are aged 31 to 35 years. The majority are female, have a bachelor's level of education, have an income level of 5 million up to 7 million rupees, and the majority of respondents are married. From the calculation of the moderated t-table, from the calculation of the moderated t-value, the variable of management financial to COVID-19 in relationship with credit card usage and lifestyle to moderating COVID-19 in relationship with credit card usage has a t-statistic value less than 1.96. Thus, the COVID-19 variable doesn't have a significant effect in increasing the relationship between financial management and credit card use, and the relationship between lifestyle and credit card use. Therefore, the hypothesis results are include: number one, the better a person's financial management behavior, the lower the level of credit card usage. The hypothesis is accepted. The higher the consumer's lifestyle, the greater the influence on the level of credit card usage. As hypothesis 2, the result is accepted. Next is hypothesis 3. The COVID-19 pandemic affect the relationship of consumer financial management to the use of credit cards. Hypothesis not accepted. And then hypothesis 4. The COVID-19 pandemic has affected the relationship between consumer lifestyle and credit card use. Also hypothesis not accepted. The last hypothesis is the higher the COVID-19 pandemic, the lower the level of credit card usage. Hypothesis accepted. The last content of this research is conclusion. There are 3 conclusions within this paper. The first is financial management and lifestyle greatly affect the use of credit card consumers in the city of Bandung, with characteristics of age between 31 up to 35 years. The majority are female, have a bachelor's education level, have an income level of 5 million up to 70 million rupees, and the majority of married consumers in Bandung. The second conclusion is COVID-19 didn't have a significant effect in relation to financial management with credit card use and the relationship between lifestyle and credit card use. COVID-19 pandemic has affected the level of credit card usage in the city of Bandung, especially for those who are aware of financial arrangement. This is the last conclusion based on the quantitative analysis built in the research. And then implication. Implication of the research: it is expected to provide benefits and can be the basis for the development of science and further research in the field of management in general, as well as financial management, lifestyle, and the COVID-19 pandemic in particular on the use of credit cards. The information and knowledge obtained through this paper is expected to be input and consideration for companies and regulators in making strategic plans related to factors that can affect the level of credit card use, as well as for the public so that they can regulate the use of credit cards. Limitation and suggestion from this paper: the variables used to measure the use of credit cards only consist of financial management and lifestyle. That's become the limitation. While there are still other variables, such as financial literature, which is suggested to be used for further research in accordance with the opinion of Lusardi and Tufano 2015. The limitation is that the sample use in this study is credit card users who live in the city of Bandung only. It is recommended in further research to use samples that also come from cities other than Bandung in order to increase the deepness of research results with a wider area coverage. Thank you very much. That's all from me. Uh, Good afternoon, everyone.